feel completely alright. So going on. The wonder of time not stopping helps cushion the fall.
Really nice. We made it down to Navarre, Florida. And it's gorgeous. Quick little trip. We're heading back up north, and we have a lot more coming. We did some RV shopping. Learned a lot. Next video you'll see. Woo, it's nice. Yeah. Alright, so we're in sunny Sarasota, and it's been quite an adventure trying to get down here. We took off from Huntsville, and it should have been a 2-hour flight, and we ended up having a 5-hour layover, and we didn't leave Huntsville to almost 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and we ended.
Oh, we left Huntsville at midnight.
At midnight.
But we didn't land in Orlando till like around.
It was like 3, right?
A little after 2.
A little after 2.
Yeah, but we didn't technically leave the airport till almost 3 because we had to get the car rental.
Yeah.
And that was a little bit of a challenge as well.
Yeah. So long story short, there was a lot of hiccups that happened just getting down here. But the entire time we just let it roll. There's nothing we can do about it, and it's one of those things that we have to kind of like build the behavior around, just letting things roll off, because we're not going to be able to control a lot of things that happen on the road. So
yeah, we weren't angry or upset really. I mean, it's just a series of unfortunate events out of everyone's hands, so you just roll with the punches, and nothing you can do about it. It is what it is.
Yep. So we went out and we looked at a few RVs, and one of them seemed pretty promising, but we're going to work on it and see if it lands. So don't be afraid to go outside of your region. We ended up finding flights, like I said earlier, about $25 a flight just to get down here per person one way. So we ended up doing the flight around $130 with taxes just for the flights.
Awesome deal.
So, and then we ended up having a place to stay, so we didn't have to pay for lodging. So it ended up working in our favor. So we're out and about kind of exploring. We have one day, we're on our last day, and we take off tomorrow morning back to Huntsville. So that way we can get back into rhythm, because we have a lot ahead of us, and we're still working on quite a bit. So there's more to come.
And we actually just got a bite to eat. Great view, wonderful food. It was awesome. Prices were awesome.
Yep, we'll tag it in the description, but it was a bait house. It was a bait house that had a restaurant on the back of it. So we'll tag all the details in there. But very good pricing, and they're right on the water.
Amazing view.
It was very local.
Nice and quiet.
Yep, they didn't have any.
It wasn't really geared, towards tourists.
Yeah.
So it was nice.
So it was nice. So you'll see some footage of that, and then we'll throw the link in the description below for the video. Another quick note, we are in Siesta Key, just so anybody wants to know, and they're Lido shores or Lido shores. I don't know which way they say it, but
Probably Lido.
Yeah.
It's like Lido deck.
Yeah, so Lido shores. We pulled off into a marina area. There's a little park at the end we're gonna go visit, but it's very nice because it's just boating, and there's a little aquarium around the corner that visitors can go to, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to go do